This is Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your purchase history for your App Store on your iPhone. So if you bought something from the Apple Store, you can see everything you bought this year, last year, or you can do a custom date. So I'm just going to do this year, and then we can do the free or paid, and we include this and apply it. So anything I really download down here I can view. So in video, then I download a bunch of random stuff. So to get to this section, it's really easy. Go to the App Store. So let's open this up. Go to your profile on the top right. Going down, and purchase history is right on the top. Purchase history. Now you want to go to showing. Then you got the last 90 days, and you want to do probably cost free. Last 90 days. Let's go to maybe last year. Or you can do custom date time range too. So all this year. Apply. So it looks like 2022, free, paid. I didn't use an iPhone back then, so nothing's on there. So just look at that. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.